Hi, I'm Mari, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to get brushes and how to download them and how to install them. Okay, either from me or from anyone else. So let's start. I have plenty of stores actually where you can get my brushes, either Etsy, Gumroad or Creative Market. And I'm gonna show you some issues I had with Etsy and why you maybe should get directly from my Gumroad store. The point is that in Etsy, sadly, I have restrictions on the size of the files. So for example, like this brush that I get a lot of orders from this brush actually is fine because it fits perfectly under the 20 megabytes that Etsy allows me. But the shame brushes and other even more complicated like the graffitis one or the watercolor ones are very heavy for Etsy. So I always have to send a coupon to my other store because I don't have any limit here. So that's why I say maybe it is better to get it from here. But anyway, even if you're getting from me or not, or if you're getting from another creator in Gumroad, because there are many like me, what you're gonna get if you buy on Etsy basically will be a link to my Gumroad account, and this will be the process. Let me show you. When you go to Etsy, download the PDF, and the PDF will look like this, for example. And this link will lead, well, to this video. And here is the download link. If you don't know how to get to your downloads file, it's fine. You just have to drag down and write downloads folder, open it, and there you have it. So we open the PDF and we can click directly here in this button, set open, and you will get, in this case, a full 100% discount because you are sent from my Etsy store. If you buy directly from Gumroad, then the process is the same, but you have to pay through Gumroad instead of Etsy. And what you have to do is to click here where it says I want this, put here your email address, and you will get an email confirmation from them. If you don't receive the email confirmation, please check your spam folder, and as well you can download the Gumroad app and you will have them all the time on your iPad, and you can download them many times. Even if you reset your iPad, then you will have them in Gumroad as well. A plus point also with Gumroad is that every time I upgrade or update the brush sets, it's completely free. Everything is included, so it is for life, guys. As long as Procreate exists and I keep using them, it will be for life. Okay, so you put your email address here, press here get. I place a note here, so you have to know that if you get an email, is because I already placed a new update for the brushes. Okay, so when you download it, you go again to your downloaded files. Let's close here, and you will get this brush set. It is immediately imported to your Procreate app because it recognizes directly. So let's open, for example, this canvas, and it will be at the top. As you can see, I already have my chains one here, but like it is imported, it will be at the top. If you want to rearrange, just touch and rearrange them whatever you want. But I already have it, so I will erase it, touch, and delete. If you want to have a look at these chains, I will only show you, let's show you one of these. Oh, that's two things. Let me show you how this chain works. Some curves are difficult, but you get the point. So I hope you like this tutorial, how to download, how to install. It's very simple, directly from your download folder. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ask me any questions if you have them. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.